It is cost effective. It is easy. The team is accessible to us anytime. We don't need to go to any customer care, put a ticket and then wait for it. Easily the team is always available at 24/7 as per the name also. Hi, good morning everyone. I am Anuradha Mathur. I am the Group General Manager HR working with Fortune Group. We are an automobile dealership spread across Hyderabad, Telangana and Kerala. So we have an employee strength of total 2000 across both the states. It's been 9 years that we have been using them, and it's a wonderful experience working with HRMS team. See, the problem what we are facing is manual. There are a lot of errors coming in the Excel sheet. Secondly, data miss out or anything. So that's the reason we shifted to a software which is automatic, which can help us error-free data, and it is quick and easy to do. It's been time saving for us. Data is perfect, and we don't need to spend too much time in analyzing or doing any calculations to check whether it is correct or not. So everything has been taken care by it. Our leave data is streamlined, our payrolls are streamlined. In fact, even our onboarding system has been streamlined, because whenever a new employee joins, we ensure that their documents are uploaded, so that at any given point of time, if we need to access anything, it's very easy for us to download the data. So we are using the payroll, we are using leave management, and apart from that we are also using the GPS from them, because it is helping us to understand the real time of an employee when they are on field visits. Have they reported on time, they are exactly at the location, so it helps us to know more about it. I think it has changed a lot what we started with and what we are using now. Now we are on a cloud based, earlier we were server based. So we have seen a lot of changes, a lot of new upgrades, and I think it has become more smooth now what it was earlier. So it is very easy for us to understand and work on it. We don't need to spend much time. So even if a newcomer comes, they don't need to face any problem, because the guidance is so easy, the steps are so easy that anybody can go through it. It's very user friendly. The dashboard gives me the entire details of how many employees I have across the locations, how many have present, how many are absent, who have reported, who have not reported, the numbers coming in. Apart from that, the salary data, the leave data, everything is very user friendly. So the platform at present, we are very happy with it. Yes, definitely I will recommend HRMS to everybody. In fact, in the past I have recommended it to 2 companies as well, and they are also very happy with this recommendation and they are using it. So HRMS, it's a rock star.